डाउट्स में अटकते,
सब्जेक्ट्स में लटकते, कब तक हम रहेंगे सर पटकते।
अब वेदांतु देगा प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा।
समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा। बढ़िया टीचर्स प्रॉब्लम्स चुटकी में सुलझाएंगे, डाउट सारी जिंदगी से
Raj, I got your doubt. This is your answer.
समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो Vedantu. Learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hey class, hello everyone, how are you all bachcho? Yep, all of you are doing awesome. Yep, how's the preparation going on? As you know, this is the exam season going on right now. Okay, so welcome you all, I welcome you all to one more session for the sprint 9. Okay, the final countdown time period, right? And today, as we know bachcho, we'll be completing the second part of the topic triangles. And after that, we'll be starting the quadrilaterals. Okay, so I've already told you the schedule. So this time, bachcho, we'll be solving some problems related to the congruency as well as the triangular inequalities is also there. Okay, so the triangular inequalities, what does it say? It says that whatever order the angles are, in whatever order the three angles are of a triangle are there, in the same order will be the sides opposite to them. Understood? So this is what the same relation is used here. So triangular inequalities is also there. So we'll be completing those topics as well. So we'll be starting the class today. Before starting the class, bachcho, yep. So this is the current session, triangles 2. Before that, we just had Abhishek sir session, and tomorrow we'll be having Anubha ma'am session. Okay, so you can see the session schedule details here as well. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you all is that in this exam time, suppose if you are feeling that let's say in your grade 9 you are not very much comfortable in the topic triangle. So what you can do here is you can help your out yourself by using this micro courses 2020. Here you can purchase the individual chapter, right? So you can purchase only the topic triangles, and you can get you can learn this from the master teachers of Vedantu. Okay, what you'll be getting in this part: loud solving, quizzes, live learning, everything you'll be getting there. So for registration for micro courses, now this is for all the for your subjects. Okay, maths, science, social science, and English. Sorry, mostly maths and science. All the topics which are there. You can go for any chapter you want or any group of chapter also you want. You can buy them a group of chapters. Say you want 3 chapters to be purchased. So those you can do. You can register to this link vdnt.in/ytmicro and use the code GPMIC. You will get the 95% off on the total part. Next thing is those who want to say do the revision for the whole course. Sir, I'm not very much comfortable on the chapter, so I want to get it revised. So you can go for the crash course for class 9. In this, we'll be having full syllabus revision for math, science, social science and English. Test series is there, unlimited doubt solving and assignment is there. Now the link to register for the crash course is vdnt.in/yt9cbsc. Use the code GPCC and you will get a discount and you'll get the whole course at the rate of at rupees 7,999 only, right? So that's a huge discount here. So don't forget to use the code. Okay, so these are the 2 courses which are very much important as per your point of view. So now bachcho, we'll be moving ahead with the class. Before that, let me tell you the schedule. This is schedule for the sprint 9 series. Okay, and after that, this is the schedule for this is for the physics, this is for the chemistry, this is for mathematics. We are today here triangles, and then we'll be moving to the quadrilaterals part, and then we'll be completing all the chapters one by one, and then we have biology schedule by Ankita ma'am. Okay, so these are all the topics. Now if you are new here and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe to this channel and also give a like to this video, because whatever we are going to discuss, that is going to be amazing. If you have not checked out the previous videos, go check out the previous videos which are coming daily step by step. So we have started from the first chapter and now we are in the topic triangles. Okay, so now bachcho, let us start the class. So as today we'll be talking about the SSS, RHS and inequalities, triangular inequalities portions. Okay, let's move to the first question. The first question: in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 50, angle B is equal to 60. Arranging the sides of the triangle in ascending order we get. So now this is what I was talking about, the triangular inequalities bachcho. If I have a triangle, okay, let's say in which one angle is 50 degree and the other angle is 60 degree, I can easily get the value of the third angle. Okay, so they have told angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 60 degree, and let's say this is C. So I can say angle C is equal to 180 minus 50 minus 60. So which will be equal to 180 minus 110, which means 70 degree. Okay, so if I write the order, okay, what do you want? You want to arrange them in the ascending order. So if I arrange the angles in the ascending order, I can say angle A greater than angle A is angle B, and greater than angle B is angle C. So this is the ascending order, right? Now the sides opposite to these angles also will follow the same order. Okay, so if angle A, if angle A is the smallest angle, the side opposite to angle A will be the smallest side. If angle C is the largest angle, side opposite to angle C will be the largest side, correct? So opposite to angle A we have BC, then opposite to angle B we have AC, and opposite to angle C we have AB. So the order, the ascending order of the sides will be BC greater than, so first is BC, then AC is greater than BC, and then AB. So BC, AC and AB, so I can say option C is my correct answer. Understood? Option C is my correct answer. So this way, bachon, this is the whole theory of triangular inequalities. The same goes reverse as well. If I give you the value of the angles, you can get the order of the sides. If I give you the order of the sides, you can get the order of the angles as well. Okay, you can only get the order, you cannot get the value. Understood? So this is very important. So order we can easily get. Chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question is this. In a right angle triangle, the two acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. The acute angle is very easy, by 4:5. So I know if it is a right angle triangle, one angle is 90, so sum of other two angles should be 90 only. So I can say, sir, 4x plus 5x is equal to 90. So you have got x is equal to 10. That means one angle is 40, other angle is 50. So 40 degree and 50 degree. Correct? Option B, 40 degree and 50 degree. Okay, the acute angles are, they are asking you in the order. So 50-40 will not be considered correct. 40-50 will be considered correct answer. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. The next question is this. In the figure, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint. So, bachcho, see, if it is not shown in the diagram, just show it. If D is the midpoint, I can clearly say that, sir, BD is equal to CD. Right, this is the information they want us to tell. When D is the midpoint, I can say BD is equal to CD. Then DE and DF are perpendiculars to AB and AC. DE and DF are perpendiculars, okay, 90 degrees shown here. So better if this angle is 90 degree, this part will also be 90 degree, this part will also be 90 degree. No doubt in that. Are perpendiculars to AB and AC respectively such that DE is equal to DF. So these two are also equal. Okay, you want to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. So if you want to prove that angle B should be equal to angle C, let's do one thing. Now, let us talk about the triangle. In triangle DBE and triangle DCF. First thing, bachcho, as I know here, okay, that angle E is equal to angle F. Both are equal to 90 degree. I have shown you by if this outer part is 90, the inner part will also be 90 degree. So both the angles are 90 degree. Then I can say that, sir, BD is equal to CD because D is the midpoint. And then I can say DE is equal to DF. It is given. So you can clearly see, bachcho, it is right angle. Okay, this is right angle. Opposite to right angle lies hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse and then any one side. So in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, if hypotenuse are equal and any of the side are equal, definitely we can say these triangles are congruent using RHS criteria. So I can say, sir, using RHS rule, I can say triangle DBE is congruent to triangle DCF. Triangle DBE is congruent to triangle DCF, and then by CPCT, bachcho, I can say angle B will be equal to angle C. Correct? So as I've told you, bachcho, we need to focus on the two triangles for which we know at least three things. So here I saw that, okay, I know the right angles are here, one side, two sides are given equal to each other. So let us pick those triangles. Understood? So this is how we can solve this question. Very easy question, I can say. Direct question, it is right. Now, so this is the solution here. You can see here one more time. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Okay, this AB is equal to AC. D is a point inside triangle ABC such that BD is equal to CD. These two are equal. Prove that ABD, angle ABD, this angle is equal to angle ACD, this angle. So, bachcho, here you can do one thing, but you can do it in plenty of ways. One way is join A to D. Join A to D, right? If I join A to D, so now I can say in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, first thing I know that AB is equal to AC, given. BD is equal to CD, given. And AD is equal to AD, common. So by SSS rule, side rule, I can say triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and if these two are congruent, then I can say that angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD by CPCT rule. Correct? So this is using the congruency of triangle, you can prove it. One more way is that, sir, if AB is equal to AC, so this is the first rule. Okay, second part is, sir, if AB is equal to AC, so ABC is an isosceles triangle, so I can say this whole angle B is equal to this whole angle C, right? Then if we have DB is equal to DC, so this small triangle is also an isosceles triangle, so I can say, sir, this small part, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. Subtract both the equation from this whole angle. If you subtract this part, you'll be left with this angle, and from this whole angle, if you subtract this part, you'll be left with this part. Okay, so by this also you can solve it using isosceles triangle property. It can also be solved. Okay, using isosceles triangle property, it can also be solved. Chalo. So the second solution which I was saying can be written as this. Okay, using isosceles triangle property. Let's move to the next question, bachcho. The next question is this. Okay, it's a good question. In a triangle ABC, angle B is greater than angle C. Okay, if AM is the bisector of triangle if AM is the bisector of angle ABC, this AM is the bisector. That means this AM is dividing this angle A into two equal parts. So it is a rough diagram. It doesn't look like that, but it is like this only. Okay, these two angles are equal. Rough diagram it is. And AN is perpendicular to BC. AN is perpendicular to BC. Okay, it is shown here. Prove that angle MAN is equal to half of angle B minus angle C. So now see, bachcho, focus. You have been asked about angle MAN. Now you can see very clearly that MAN, this angle MAN will be equal to, I can clearly say that, sir, this angle MAN, okay, this angle MAN which you want me to find out, this angle will be equal to, sir, from this whole angle subtract this part, right? Yes, it can be said, correct? So now let us focus on this part only. So my whole thing is to understand what is the value of BAM and then what is the value of BAN, and simultaneously I will be finding out what will be the L value. I will try to convert it into this form. So first thing, bachcho, if I talk about angle BAM, I can clearly say that, sir, angle BAM is equal to angle A by 2. Why? Because AM is the angle bisector. So this AM is dividing this whole angle into two equal parts. So I can say angle BAM is equal to angle A by 2. Right? Now let's talk about this angle. Let's talk about this angle, only this angle. So in triangle ABN, bachcho, if you'll see, in triangle ABN, this angle, this is 90 degree. This is angle B. So I can say angle BAN plus angle B plus 90 degree should be equal to what? 180 degree. By we know. So from here, bachcho, you will get the value of angle BAN is equal to 90 minus angle B. Correct? So we have got these two values. Angle BAM is equal to A by 2 and angle BAN is equal to 90 minus B by 2. We know that angle MAN, by this angle MAN, this MAN MAN can be written as BAM minus BAN will be equal to angle BAM minus angle BAN. BAM we have got as angle A by 2 minus it will become 90 minus angle B. Correct? Right? Now this part I need to solve further. This part I need to solve further. So bachcho, what will happen? See now. This will become, if I open the bracket, angle A by 2 minus 90 plus angle B by 2. Correct? You have seen that, okay, angle B by 2 has been created, but now my task is to get rid of this angle A by 2 and 90 degree. Correct? Now, bachcho, see, to get rid of angle A by 2 plus A by 2, I need to get minus angle A by 2. Then only it will get cancelled. Correct? So what I can do, I know, sir, ABC is a triangle. So I know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. If I divide both the equations by 2, so it will become angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2 plus angle C by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So in place of 90 degree, I can replace this. In place of 90 degree, I can write A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2. So let's do that. So we'll be getting angle A by 2 minus of angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2. Wait, this is angle B only, na? This is angle B. Why B by 2? This is angle B only, sorry. Okay, plus B by 2 plus angle C by 2 plus angle B. Now, if I open the bracket, bachcho, it will become angle A by 2 minus angle A by 2 minus angle B by 2 minus angle C by 2 plus angle B. Angle A by 2 and minus angle A by 2 got cancelled. Correct? Minus B by 2 plus B. By see, angle B minus B by 2 we have to do. Take LCM 2 times of angle B minus angle B by 2, which is nothing but angle B by 2. So these two will give you angle B by 2. Correct? So what you are left with? You are left with angle B by 2 minus angle C by 2. Take half common, you will be left with angle B minus angle C. So I can say angle MAN, what I have started, angle MAN will be equal to half of angle B minus angle C. Understood? So how we have done it? We know that we wanted to get the answer in the form of angle MAN. So how to get MAN? I saw that MAN can be equal to angle BAM minus angle BAN. I have got the values for both and then I have tried to reduce that in this form. Okay, so these reduction form, na bachcho, the more questions you will solve, the more ideas you will get to reduce it. Okay, this condition is not used in this part. Okay, so sometimes the conditions are given extra, so don't think much, sir, why that is not used. It is not used, no what, so what. Okay, chalo. So now bachcho, this is how we can do it. I'll just show you the solution one more time. This is the solution here. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next question. ABCD is a parallelogram. If the two diagonals are equal, find the measure of angle ABC. Okay, so we have ABCD as a parallelogram. Okay, we have ABCD as a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Correct? So A, B, C and D. These are what? These are parallelogram. Oh, sorry, this is a parallelogram. Now, they have told that this is a special kind of parallelogram in which the diagonals are also equal. So, I have been told, see, I know if it is a parallelogram, AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC, this I know. But here, I have been given that AC is equal to BD as well. AC is equal to BD as well. So, now, bachcho, look here. Let us talk about the triangle ADB and triangle ADB and triangle ACB. I can say, sir, AD is equal to AC. Correct? BD is equal to AC is equal to BD already given. BD is equal to AC already given, and then AB is common. So by using SSS rule, side rule, I can say triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ACB. If these two are congruent, bachcho, I can say that angle DAB is equal to angle CBA or angle ABC. Both are equal. And we know one more property, that in a parallelogram, the adjacent angles are supplementary. If not, if you don't know this, by see na, if BC and AD are parallel, you can see AB is acting as a transversal, so these two are a pair of interior consecutive angle. So now I know one more thing, that sir, angle DAB plus angle ABC should be equal to 180 degree. By DAB and ABC are equal, I can replace DAB with ABC only. So you will get angle ABC, 2 times of angle ABC, 2 times of angle ABC is 180 degree, so angle ABC will be equal to 90 degree. Right? So we have got that this angle is 90 degree. If this is 90, both has to be supplementary, this is also 90, and we know opposite angles are equal. So all angles are 90 degree. That means what, bachon? In a parallelogram, if in a parallelogram the diagonals are equal, that means that will form a rectangle. It is a rectangle only. A parallelogram with all the 4 angles equal to 90 degree, that is a rectangle. So it is talking about a rectangle part. Okay, chalo. So this is how, bachon, it can be easily solved. Let's move to the next question. The next question we have, so this is the proof here. One more time, if you want to go through it one more time, you can see here how to write it. Now the next question is this. What does the question says? The question is telling you, ki sir, in the given figure, AP is perpendicular to this line L. Okay, this line L. And PR, this PR is greater than PQ. Okay, PR is greater, yes. Show that AR is greater than AQ. Okay, so we need to show that AR is equal to AQ. But we know that if this PR is greater than PQ, so on this point, on this PR, I can choose a point S such that QP and QPS will be equal. We can do that. Yes or no? Or, chalo, not do this. Let's not do this. Okay. Let's do one thing, bachon. What I will do, that see, if I know that this QP and PR are there, what I'll do, bachon, that from A, I will draw a line AS. From A, draw a line AS, okay, where AS is equal to AQ such that S point lies on PR. Okay, such that point S lies on PR. Understood what I'm trying to tell you here? See, what we need to do, we need to do this construction. Or we can draw PS. Which construction will be easy? In both the ways, we'll be getting the same part only. AD is common, 90 degree. Acha, chalo, let's do this. So what we'll do na, by since this QP and PR is greater, so let's on PR get any point P such that QP is equal to PS. So the construction is since PR is greater than PQ, so get a point on PR, get a point S on PR such that QP is equal to PS. Okay, but see, if it is 3 centimeter, okay, and this part to here is 5 centimeter, definitely on this 5 centimeter part I can get a point at 3 centimeter length. So that is what I have done here. Correct? Now look at the triangle. In triangle AQP and triangle ASP, first thing bachon, I can say that sir AP is equal to AP common side. Then since this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, so I can say angle APQ is equal to angle APS, both are equal to 90 degree. And then third thing bacho we know is QP is equal to QS. So by side angle side, I can say triangle AQP is congruent to triangle ASP. If both are congruent by CPCT, I can say that means, sir, AQ is equal to AS as well. AQ is equal to AS. AQ is equal to AS, and if AQ is equal to AS, bachon, I can say angle 1 and angle 3 will be equal. Here angle 1 and angle 3 is shown, so I can say angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Isosceles triangle property. The angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So bachon, see, we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Correct? Now you can clearly see by S point is here and point R lies further. So by geometry, bachon, I definitely know that this angle 2 is less than angle 3. Suppose here, directly if you join a perpendicular 90 degree, now the more you will stretch this point on the line, the angle will decrease. Let me give you an example here. Suppose, bachon, here is a line. Now from a point, the largest angle which you can draw is 90 degree. Now the more you will shift it away, the lesser the angle will be formed. Okay, this we can clearly see. So now, bachon, I can say by the rules of geometry, I know that angle 3 is greater than angle 2. If angle 3 is greater than angle 2 and we know angle 1 and angle 3 are equal, I can say angle 1 is also greater than angle 2. And if angle 1 is greater than angle 2, so now look at the bigger picture. We have said that angle 1 is greater than angle 2. So opposite to angle 1 we have AR and opposite to angle 2 we have AQ. So I can say AR is greater than AQ. Okay, so by this we can easily solve this problem. Okay, bachon. So this is also one more important question from triangular inequalities. Okay, chalo. So let's move. So this is what the solution is, bachon. You can also see this solution one more time if you want. Okay, if you have any doubts. Chalo. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC and side BA is produced to a point D such that AB is equal to AD, prove that triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. Okay, so bachon, we have a triangle ABC which is an isosceles triangle. Okay, sir. So bhaiya, this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, where let's say AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Okay, then what we have done? Side AB is produced to D such that AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD, so I will stretch it to a point D. Such that AB is equal to AD. Prove that angle BCD is a right angle. This is what we need to prove, that this angle is a right angle. Okay, so now bachon, we know AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD. That means all the three sides are equal to each other. Correct? All the three sides are equal to each other. So let us talk about in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, bachon, I can say if AB is equal to AC, I can say angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Let us say both are equal to X. Both are equal to X. Because isosceles triangle. Similarly, in triangle ACD, if AD is equal to AC, I can say angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Let us say both are equal to Y, because by two isosceles triangles can have different angles also, na? So if one is X, other will be Y. So let's say, sir, this is angle Y, this is angle also Y. Correct, bacho? We have done this. Now we know ki, sir, this angle B, this triangle BCD is a right angle triangle. Triangle BCD is a, this triangle BCD is here. So in this triangle BCD, we know that the sum of all the three angles will be equal to 180 degree. Correct? So I know in triangle BCD, sum of three angles will be equal to 180 degree. What are the three angles? By angle D is Y. plus angle B is x and this angle C is x plus y, right? So I can say x plus y should be equal to 180 degree. So you have got 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Take 2 common, 2 times of x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So you have got x plus y is equal to 90 degree. And bachcho, see, what is x plus y? Bhai, x plus y can be written as angle DCB or BCD. So x plus y is also equal to angle BCD. So I can say angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Okay, easy, very easy na yaar. So this way bachcho, we can solve this part, very easy part. Here no need to get the value of x and y, just by the configuration we have got the answer that this angle BCD will be a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the easiest way to prove it. Okay bachcho, so if you want to know the proof, this is the proof here. Okay, like how to write it is written here. Every time the explanation is very important to write. Okay bachcho, so this is all in this session. So we have completed your topic triangle as well. All the important questions has been covered, and practice more and more bachcho. Practice your NCERT, practice sample papers before examination. Do practice the sample papers, it is very important. Okay bachcho, so this is your homework question. In this part I have told you that AD is equal to BC and BD is equal to this whole BD. Okay, this whole BD is equal to AC or CA. Prove that angle ADB is equal to angle BCA and DAB is equal to angle CBA. It's very easy bachcho, you can do it. Okay, just congruency you have to use and you will get your answer. Understood? Chalo. So bachcho, this is your sprint session. I have told you already the session details. Okay, one more thing before going. Thank you so much bachcho, because of your efforts and because of your love and support, Vedantu has been awarded the User's Choice App Award 2019 by Google Play. Okay, by Google Play. So if you have not downloaded the app yet, download the app now. In that app you are getting the schedule of the master classes, you are getting practice test, study material, everything all in one app, that is. Okay, so if you have not downloaded it yet, download the app. Let's see how and you can attend the master classes as well. There are plenty of master classes going on every day. Okay, so bachcho, this is all. Now those students who are facing difficulty in some specific chapters can go for the micro courses. Just visit this link and you'll see all the courses down there. So just visit it and see, you might like 1 or 2 courses, and if you're facing difficulty, this is the time to get it done. Okay, not the later part. And those who want to revise the whole syllabus, this is the crash course for grade 9. We'll be revising math, science, social science and English. You can go for vdnt.in/YT9CBSE. Use the code GPCC and you will get the whole thing at the rate of 7,999 only. Okay bachcho, so this is all from my side in today's class. Thank you so much for attending the session. I hope all of you liked the session. If you have liked the session, like the video as well, because this is what the motivation for us. Okay, this tends us to motivate, this gives us the motivation and the motivation to work more harder for you all. Okay bachcho, also share this video with your friends, those who are not aware of this platform yet, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Okay bachcho, so this is all from my side. In the next class we'll be starting the topic quadrilaterals, and that also will be done in two parts. Okay bachcho, so this is all from my side in today's class. I'll see you soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye, good night, see you soon, bye bye.